What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to yet another video. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Nicole and I would love it so much if you would subscribe and be a part of the lovely family I have going on here. I also have an Instagram, so if you guys would like to follow me there as well, that will be linked down in the description box below. As you can tell by the title, today's video is a Fashion Nova curve try-on haul. But it's kind of fun because every single thing I got is like a matching set. So it's like a giant matching set haul. Cannot wait to show you guys what I picked out. Definitely got some good stuff. Everything that I haul will be linked below. Easy access, easy shopping for you guys, as well as all of the details you might want to know about my size, my height, my weight, my measurements. That is down below as well. I don't know, I find it to be super helpful myself when other YouTubers are just very upfront about height, weight, size, measurements, because it helps me decide kind of like what size I should get. I don't know, hopefully it's helpful for you guys as well. I think I've blabbed on long enough, so if you guys would like to see what I got, just keep watching. Alright, the first two-piece set I got is a little crop top and a pair of pants. And the crop top is this one here. It is black and like a tan color almost, and it looks like a little bandana. It's so cute. It does have this like metal clasping detailing going down the front. I think this is super adorable, and it might actually look familiar because I did post a picture on Instagram already, which is why you guys should follow me there. So it came with the little crop top, and then it also came with some pants. So these are definitely thick pants, same exact print. There are pockets. And I will say these are very long. I am 5'7", and I might need to get these hemmed because they are super long. They are a more like wide-legged pant, and I used to hate those like wide-legged pants, but I actually have learned to love them. I absolutely love them. I just think I need to get them hemmed a little bit, but other than that, absolutely love this. I will say on my body shape, the pockets stick out a little bit, making my hips look wider than they are. But I did get this little like stitch gun machine thingy, so I think I'm gonna try to do that to the pocket so they stay closer to my body. But other than that, absolutely love it. I picked this up in a 2X, and it is made of a slightly stretchy material, but it is very, very thick, so keep that in mind. I got an adorable little leopard two-piece set. I'm gonna say two-piece set 1,000 times in this video. I already know it. Just know everything is a two-piece set. Actually, one thing is a three-piece set, which is kind of interesting, but this one is leopard. Very, very stretchy. This is actually like double lined, so the bottom part or the underneath part is black, and then it has this like leopard mesh material, but it's just a cute crop top. Very, very stretchy. And that came with a midi skirt, and I think this is just super flattering on the body. I really like this one a lot. And the thing about two-piece sets is that you can wear them together like a matching set, or you can, you know, wear the skirt and pair it with, say, a black top, or just wear the little crop top and pair it with some black jeans. You can kind of like mix and match what you want to do. So love this a lot. Also got this, I believe, in a 2X. Let me double check. Yes, got this in a 2X, and it is a very, very stretchy. Next up is this little black number here. It's just plain black. Once again, a little crop top. Super cute tank crop. This is made of a thicker material that it does stretch, but I don't know, I've never like felt this material before. I wonder what it is. Let me see. It says it is 67% viscose, 28% nylon, 5% spandex. It's an odd material, but I like it because it's thick, so it like will suck me in. It comes with that little crop top, and then some biker shorts. These biker shorts are so long. Like, they hit me below my knee. I had to pull them up a little bit, and they were still too long. So this is another one I would hem to make a little bit shorter, but not see-through at all, which is nice. And I think this is so cute and would be so cute with some sort of like cardigan, like long cardigan type of a situation over it, or like a shacket over it. Stop. It would be so cute. Got this in a 2X, and I thought it fit perfectly. So this next one is the one I was talking about that is actually a three-piece set, and I did not think I was gonna like this, but I freaking love it. I'm actually going to San Diego here in a couple weeks. We're doing like a little birthday trip for myself, me and the girls, so I think this is gonna be one I'm gonna pack. I don't know, I just really like it a lot. It comes with, once again, a crop top, and this is a navy blue color, and it has this like wild like pattern. Really, really cute. So this set actually comes with a pair of flowy shorts, and it does have this tie belt around the waist. Where is it? Oh, it's here in the front. So you can tie it into a bow. Now, I am not a fan of shorts just in general. I just hate them, unless they're like biker shorts. They just always ride up, my thighs rub together. I'm a big girl. Just not a fan, especially this flowy material. But there is something about these. They're a little bit longer than like a normal like flowy short, and they have this like lining on the inside. I love these. I freaking love them. I would even wear just the shorts with like a cute little white crop top, or just the top with maybe a pair of like denim jeans. I don't know, I just think it's super cute. This, like I said, comes with the crop top, the flowy shorts, and then it came with this long cover up like kimono thing that I think you're supposed to kind of wear like off your shoulders. Really cute. I don't know, it might be a little too much for me personally with all three of these being the same print, but I would definitely piece these out with other outfits. I would for sure wear the crop top with the shorts, but all three, I don't know. This material is not stretchy, just an FYI, and I actually picked the set up in a 3X. Next up is another biker short set, and this one is in all black again. Here are the biker shorts. This is a very thin see-through material. In the try-on portion, you guys will see I showed you guys, could not be more see-through if they tried, but I feel like if you're wearing a longer top, it wouldn't really matter because this material is so soft and so comfortable. I picked this up in a 2X as well, this set. So it came with that, and then it came with an oversized black tee. Now, the only problem, I would say, this t-shirt fit perfectly. Absolutely love the way it looked. I would probably pair it with a different pair of biker shorts because there is a slit going up the side, so you can see panty lines for sure through the shorts. So, once again, love it. It's just a little see-through. Now, the top is made of the same material as the bottoms, but because the top is not skin tight, you can't really see through it. It's just those shorts. So, other than that, absolutely love it. Very, very stretchy material. All right, more biker shorts. I used to hate biker shorts, you guys, and now I'm just buying them left and right. This is a Leopard biker short set, and these are a little shorter than the previous two, but I like that. I think this was a really good length. It came with the shorts and then a little tube top. I'm not sure, I might wear these two together with like a little like black shacket over it. I don't know, I think it's really cute. Once again, the softest material known to man. Let me see what material it is. Okay, this material is 95% polyester and 5% spandex. The softest material ever. Flippin' love. I picked this set up in a 2X and I thought it fit perfectly. I saw this little black set on the website and I just had to have it. You guys, I love anything black. Came with a little crop top like t-shirt. Got this set in a 2X, by the way. Little crop top, super cute. And then it came with pants. Some black flowy like wide leg pants. This is like a pretty heavy duty feeling material. Like this is well made. 2X again, of course, because it is a matching set. And I really like this one a lot. I feel like I like everything, you guys. All right, this one is definitely a fun one. I got a butterfly print set, and I love the lime green straps on this. They are adjustable, which is nice. This is actually inside out. Hang on. It's double lined then, as you can see. The butterfly print is both on the inside and the outside, if that matters, but really cute white butterfly print. Got it in a 2X. Love the lime green straps. It did come with butterfly print leggings though that are see-through because they are white. I don't think I would ever wear a printed legging on the bottom, especially white, so I feel like these would be very nice for lounging around the house. However, I would wear this out and about. I would wear this with some like light wash mom jeans. I think that would be really cute, and maybe like some Air Force Ones. But the set together is cute, but probably only for lounging around the house. So got this in a 2X, and it's definitely a stretchy material. All right, we have another lounging slash running errands set. It comes with this little sweater crop top, and this is not like a typical sweatshirt material where you're gonna be so hot, because I know we're smack dab in the middle of summer, but this is like a summer morning type of outfit. It's a really pretty blue, orange, and white tie-dye, has this little half zip, absolutely love it. And then it came with the same print biker shorts. So here are the biker shorts, really cute, nice little matching set, like I said, for lounging around or running errands. This would be absolutely perfect. I picked this setup in a 2X and I thought it fit perfectly. All right, you guys, the last item I wish I had for Hawaii when we went a couple months ago. It comes with this really beautiful leaf print. Like, are you kidding me right now? These are some really flowy pants, like wide-legged pants. Like, when I say wide-legged, I mean wide-legged. These are not stretchy at all. What size did I get? I got a 2X. I think it fit absolutely perfectly. It came with this, and there is like a tie belt around the waist, which I like, and pockets. Always nice. And this one came with, of course, a little crop top, but I like this one because it almost has like this like crisscross action here in the front. So it comes down to a V, and I absolutely love this band right here. It just really like kind of pulls your waist in a little bit, cinches it in. Once again, not a stretchy material at all, but absolutely love it, and the straps are adjustable. And it is lined. That is always nice. 2X I got this set in, and of course not a stretchy material. So that was it for this Fashion Nova haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I thought at least I got some really cute things. If you guys are interested in any of them, like I said, they are linked below. If you guys have any questions for me, please leave them below because I like chatting with you guys down in the comments section. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram before you go, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.